What's up, Ariana? I'm just making these short videos looking at my ACA students' week 5 submissions. Um, here's, oh, no, that's not yours. Yours is right here. So it looks like you want to go into nursing. And it's difficult for me to say if you did this correctly. I read your note over here. But I did just glance at your progress on self-service, which you should do at some point. Just log on to self-service, click progress, and it'll show you everything you've taken and where it fits in this particular Associates in Arts program. Let's just skim through this real quickly. So you've taken care of your English credits. It says you have planned to take philosophy in the summer to finish this one. That's good. You're about to finish your social sciences. You've got your math taken care of. You have your science. Let's see the details. Bio 111. And you've got a lot of gen ed to get. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So it looks like that's taken care of. Finishing ACA. And you need 14 credit hours here. You've got 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You know, some of these general microbiology, and yeah, so it looks like, you know, you're certainly ready to transfer and wherever it is that you want to go. I noticed that on your thing here, you listed a lot of nursing classes. So it looks to me like you're just assuming whenever you transfer, this is what your semesters will look like. And you really didn't have to do all that. You didn't have to go that far, but I appreciate the effort that you made because, you know, it looks like you've got your stuff under control and you know that you don't need a lot to finish your AA and to be prepared to transfer. So let's look at your timeline. You know, you're going to take the math that you need to take. I thought you had taken that one. Let's look back up. Oh no, you have not taken it, so it's fine. All right. Well, I mean, everything looks good to me. So, thanks for doing a good job on this thing, and good luck transferring wherever it is you go. And here's what I'm saying to everybody. If you have any questions or concerns, by all means, I'd like for you to drop into the College Transfer and Advising Center in WLC and just make sure that you're squared away and ready to transfer. And if you have other questions about the transferring process, you know, some of these tasks for the rest of the ACA semester will have you looking into those kinds of things. But I do recommend going to CTAC if you have other questions about the transferring process or the application process or things like that.